A new depot system that will boost rail reliability is now fully stabilised after running East-West line operations for close to 3 months. The 4-in-1 East Coast Integrated Depot will allow operators to respond faster to incidents. The final step will be disconnecting the old Changi Depot from the existing network, which will see train services between Tanah Merah and Expo stations disrupted from 14th to 17th March. Teng with more.
The new East Coast Integrated Depot, or ECID, can now house up to 76 East-West line trains. That's more than double the capacity of its predecessor, Changi Depot. It's part of the world's first 4-in-1 transport depot featuring tracks for 3 lines stacked on top of each other. The East-West line is on the highest floor, followed by the Thomson East Coast line and the Downtown line. In total, it can accommodate about 220 trains. It's also integrated with 1 bus depot. Staff say the new layout has made their lives easier.
In ECID, the train captains can just walk to the tracks and it sheltered them from rain and the sun. And also, it's much more direct for them to stable the train.
The Land Transport Authority says this has also saved around 44 hectares of land for land-scarce Singapore. That's around the size of 60 football fields. A total of 230 workers are stationed here to operate the East-West line, and the depot can now also service more trains at a time. Now, examination tracks like these allow workers to easily access the underneath of trains for routine maintenance. And this new train workshop here has 6 of such tracks. And there are also 2 more tracks meant for heavier maintenance works. In total, the new depot can service up to 8 trains at a time, and that's double from the old Changi Depot. LTA says the final step is to disconnect the old Changi Depot from its existing network. It has served as a backup depot since the shift last December. This will require a 4-day service adjustment.
During this period of works, there will be no train service between Tanah Merah and Expo stations. We have also planned our works in such a way that we are able to complete the works as soon as possible without compromising on safety.
By the second half of this year, the Thomson East Coast line and the Downtown line will also be up and running via the new depot.